T-Rex on a rampage, silly. Samurai queen throwing stars at the ceiling. Vibe so fire, hotter than a skillet. I'm a killer, they know I'm a killer. 1-2, I got the 1-2. Can't stop the ride of my groove, yeah. They trying to do.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Good ball. He dribbles the ball forward. Dangerous tackle there. Need to be making the goalkeeper work from here. He should have been on target. Well, let's see that again. Oh, a bad miss. That's not troubling the goalkeeper. Keeper sends it long. Passed well. Great chance here. Ah, defending. That's nicely played. What a well-timed tackle. Finds his teammate. It could be a chance here. That's a crack. Referee indicates a corner kick. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Oh, it's an opening here. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. He kicks the ball away from danger. Lovely passing here. Confident pass. Good distribution. And it's opened up here. And there it is. Goal. And this is a world-class finish. Well, let's take another look at that. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Passed well. Back towards the centre. Nice work there. That's good link-up play. Confident pass. He could be punished for that mistake. Oh, he did really well there. That's nicely played. Good ball. He did well to win the ball back. Finds his teammate. Passed inside. Oh, he shoots. The keeper really glad that wasn't on target. I'm not sure he'd have got to that. Keeper put his boot behind that. The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time. It's time for the second half of this league match. They have the ball again. Played in field. Great chance here. He goes for goal, and it was close to missing, but the woodwork was on his side. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. The score 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. Confident pass. He loves to go past players with the ball. Surely now. That's nicely played. Cleared upfield. Oh, what a pass. Good ball. Oh, really good passing now. Striker's ball. Aubameyang. And that's off target.